everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we're having a look at more products and specifically the ones that classify as difference of two squares. So it's a product of two binomials where what's in the bracket is almost the same, it's just the sign that's different. So if we have a look at the example, the first bracket is x plus 2 and the other one is x minus 2. So the terms in the bracket are the same, just that with the second term, one is positive and one is negative. Now, I would like to show you the pattern that comes out when we multiply these terms. So to multiply the terms, we're going to use FOIL. If you do not know what's FOIL, please watch our previous video on methods of products. So we're going to start with the letters of FOIL. They dictate what order we should be multiplying. The F is for first, so we multiply the two first terms together. So x times x is x squared. And then O is for outers, so the two terms that are on the outside, which is x and minus 2, which is minus 2x. The I is for inners, so the two on the inside of each bracket, so it's the 2 and the x, which is plus 2x. And finally, L is for the two last terms of each bracket, which is 2 times minus 2, which gives us negative 4. Now, what you'll notice is if you had a binomial with this pattern, that the brackets are the same, just with different signs in the second term, that the two middle terms will always cancel out. So these always cancel out. And when they do cancel out, it gives us 0, so the middle terms cancel out. So we just get x squared minus 4. So that is an example of difference of two squares. If you understand the concept well enough, then you can go on to the final step where you just write x squared minus 4. Let us do some examples. Now over here, you can pause the video and try it by yourself and we'll mark it together. We're going to use the long way for this so that you get the hang of the FOIL method and of the difference of two squares pattern. So the first one is x minus 1 times x plus 1. So we're going to use FOIL again. So the first term times the first term is x squared. The two outer terms, x times 1 is x. The inner terms, minus 1 times x is minus x. And finally, the last terms, which is minus 1 times positive 1, which is negative 1. So this simplifies to x squared minus 1 as the two middle terms cancel out. Let us have a look at the next one. So it is 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 4. So once again, we're going to follow the FOIL. So 3x times 3x, the two first terms are 9x squared. Then 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. And 4 times 3x is positive 12x. And finally, positive 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Once again, we find that our middle terms cancel out, leaving us with 9x squared minus 16. Let us do the next one. We have x plus y times x minus y. Again, using FOIL, we get that x times x is x squared. X times minus y, the outer terms, is minus xy. Y times x, the inner terms, is positive xy. And y times negative y, the inner last terms, is minus y squared. Once again, the middle terms cancel out, leaving us with x squared minus y squared. Number 4, we have 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Again, the first terms is 2x times 2x is 4x squared. The outer terms is 2x times 1, which is 2x. The inner terms is minus 1 times 2x, which is minus 2x. And finally, the last terms are 1 times negative 1, which is negative 1. So simplifying, again, the middle terms cancel out, leaving us with 4x minus 1. The last question, number 5, let us do the steps again. The first times the first is x times x, which is x squared. The outers is x times positive 3, which is positive 3x. The inners is negative 3 times positive x, which is negative 3x. And the last is minus 3 times 3, which is minus 9. Simplifying this, we find that the middle terms once again cancel out, leaving us with x squared minus 9. If you are unfamiliar with the FOIL method, please watch the previous videos and please watch more of the videos for more information on products. Thank you.